Hello students, today we will study about iterations, uh, which means a repetition of a set of statements doing a work repeatedly, and for this we will use for loop and while loop. First of all, we will learn about for loop. In for loop, first of all the keyword for, then a control variable, that is a user defined name that you can give any name. Suppose I give I, in is a keyword, then you can give a string value for which you want to repeat. Suppose I say computer science, inverted comma close, and then colon. As I will press enter key, you can see the indentation. This is your indentation. Now here I will write print I. Now I will save this program. I will, suppose I give the file name I1. Now I will run this program. You can see computer science. That means for I is a user defined variable or control variable in computer science. Computer science, first time when loop will run, it will read C, next time O, next M, next P, like this. And when all letters are read one by one, then this loop will be completed. You can give any value in this. Suppose I give informatics practices. I run it. You can see informatic practices has come. So like this, you can give anything. And this I can store the value here in some variable also. For example, I am saying num is equal to, I am giving some values. Suppose I give 1, 5, 7, 9, like this. I can give n number of values, and if I write here num is a variable name, so it will be written as it is. Inverted comma will not be used. It is written as it is without inverted comma. Now if I run it, save, run it, you can see first time 1, then 5, then 7, then 9, like this. And you can give any values for this. Suppose I say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can see it. Suppose I give 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now I will save and run it. You can see. Now in this loop also, I can give conditions. Suppose I give if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, column. Comma is even. I will save it and then run it. You can see it will first take 1 and it will divide by 2 and it will check whether remainder is 0, condition is false. It will move to next 2, condition is true, then 3, condition is false, then 4, condition is true. Like this you can check it. Suppose I say here not equal to. and here I say odd. That means remainder is not 0. You can see. So this is how for loop works. Now next, suppose I want to print a table, or you can say I will use range function now. Now I will use a range function for this. For a variable name in a range. This is a function. Range is a function, or you can say it's a keyword. I have to start from 1 and I will take till 11. That means 10. It will exclude last value. Print I. I will save it and run it. Now, see here. For I is user defined variable name, in is a keyword, range is also a keyword. 1, you will start from 1, range 11. It will move till 10, 1 less. If I am writing here 11, it will run till 10. If I write here 15, it will run till 40. You can see. Now, suppose I want to print a table, num int input enter number for table. Okay. Now, every table we print till 10, that means 1 to 10. We will start from 1 to 10. Num. Whatever number you will enter will be multiplied by I. Whatever number you will enter will be multiplied by I. That means first time num into 1, then num into 2, into 3, into 4 till 10. See. Suppose I want to print table of 6. If I want to print it in a table format, so what should I write? First I have to display num, comma, then I want into symbol to be displayed, then comma, then I want to display I, comma, then I want to display is equal to, comma, and then I want to multiply num into I. Enter. Suppose I want to display a table of 9. You can see. This is how you can print the table. So this is about for loop. Now I will explain you while loop. While loop. Here, first of all, we give any value to a variable. Suppose I say num is equal to 11. User defined. Num is also user defined variable. Value is also user defined. You can give any. While. Now here I have to give condition. Num less than equal to and equal to 20 column. Now I will print num, and then I will say num is equal to num plus 1. Now I will save it and run it. You can see here. Num is 11 first time, then 11 plus 1 is 12, 13, 14, 20. It's okay. When it becomes 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 1, 21, condition is false. So it is out of the loop. Suppose I give here 1 and I give here 10. Now run it. You can see first time 1, then this plus 1 2, 3, 4, 5, and condition is still true. The numbers are less than or equal to 10. Then 10, then it has printed 10, then 10 plus 1 11. 11, then it will check condition, it is false. In 11 condition is false, so it will come out of the loop. So this is about your while loop. Suppose I write here 2. Now you see. First time 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. In 11 condition is false. It will not move into the loop. This is your while loop. So this is all for today. Please go through this. If you find any difficulty or if you have any problem or if you have any doubt, you can message me so that I can solve your problem.